Welcome to the registration guide for Sferal AI. Whether you are a new employee or a user seeking access, this guide will walk you through the seamless process of registering and logging into the platform. The first step is to access the Sferal AI website from your preferred browser. Next, click on the Get Started button. The login interface will open automatically. To proceed with the registration process, click on the Register button. Select the email field to input your email address. Fill in your email address. Create and input your chosen password and confirm it in the password field. Select the field for your first name. Enter your first name. Click on the field for your last name and enter your last name. Click on the Register button to complete the registration process. Next, you will receive the confirmation email. Verify your email address within 5 minutes to activate your Sferal AI account. Follow the link provided in the email. By following the link, you will automatically open your Sferal AI instance. You can also log in by clicking on the Get Started button from the Sferal.ai website or by directly accessing auth.sferal.ai. Navigate to the authentication page. Write your email address in the specified field. Enter the password to sign in. Click the Sign In button, and you will automatically be redirected to your Sferal AI instance. Now you can start using your AI-driven automation platform. This guide covered the step-by-step process of registering and logging into Sferal AI, ensuring a smooth registration experience.